Take a ride in the 2019 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, mud guards, tires front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.